If you are an active trader, this video will show you why you must stop your loss or why a disciplined risk management approach will get you ahead in trading. You can master whatever setup you're trading, but only with risk management you can get ahead. Let me show you some hypothetical examples of trades here in a spreadsheet that I put together. So the account size that I have is about $10,000. My risk per trade is 3%. So I'm stopping my loss diligently at 3%. My reward per trade is about 8%. So I take my profits at 8%. And I am not deploying more than 25% of my capital in one trade. So I'm putting about $2,500 in one trade with an account size of $10,000. Again, these are hypothetical trades. Now, now the probability of winning a trade is 50%, right? As you all know. So in this case, I'm showing an example of 16 trades. Typically, you should win 8 and lose 8 based on that probability. But just for example, I'm showing more trades wherein I'm losing more trades than I actually won. So I'm showing 9 trades where I lost and 7 trades that I won. All right, but I'm using this risk management diligently. So I'm stopping my loss at 3%, taking profits at 8%. So as you can see, the first 5 trades, it happened to be a loss. The 6th trade and the 7th trade, I'm winning. I'm taking my profits at 8%, so $200 profit, $200 profit here. So when I'm adding my account balance with this at the end of 7th trade, so despite losing the first 5 trades, the next 6th and 7th trade that I won, I'm being slightly positive here. The 8th trade was a loss. The 9th trade was a win where I'm taking profits at 8%. 10th and 11th, I'm losing. Then 3 consecutive trades, I'm winning. 15th trade, I lost. And then 16th trade, I won. So at the end of all this, when I used this risk management principle, that is 3%, stopping my loss at 3% and taking my profits at 8%, my account balance was at 10,725. That is, I am up by almost 7.3% at the end of 16 trades. So this is very, very important. So I'm just trying to say that using risk management, you can definitely get ahead as long as you master a single setup that you are comfortable trading. I'd say follow this and see what happens to your trading performance, and it'll be really great if you can write below in the comment section to talk about how you ended at the end of the year after following this to the T. Thank you.